Welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I want to show you the proper way to clean out the micro USB charging port on a Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 model smartphone. We are going to see exactly how to do this by using a specialized cleaning tool that features a much longer tip, which is designed so that it simply and easily fits deep into the port to remove any debris. It can be a bit more delicate, but it's best if it's a bit stiffer, just so that you might even feel something being cleaned in there. But if you don't have one like that, just use a regular toothbrush with soft or medium soft bristles. It will work too. Besides that, we need isopropyl alcohol, meaning pure alcohol that will simply evaporate after our cleaning, so it won't cause a short circuit or anything like that. If you don't have that, you can use spirit, ethyl alcohol, but nothing else really works. It just has to be pure alcohol that will clean it for us, so it won't cause a short circuit, won't rust anything, etc. So to start things off, we carefully drip some isopropyl alcohol onto the brush, making sure that we are thoroughly wetting the bristles on both sides. Then we take the phone and gently clean out the charging port. First in one direction. 20 to 30 strokes like this. Then in the other direction, again 20 to 30 strokes. So of course we perform the entire operation with the phone turned off so that it's not on. That's why you need long bristles, because as I said, you insert almost half of them. The bristles go inside the phone. So the point is to really clean the far end of the socket, because that's usually where some kind of dirt accumulates. That's why you need a brush like this, so that these specialized bristles are remarkably long, quite thin, but also incredibly strong. We carefully insert the tool all the way in, and then press down very firmly to ensure we remove everything completely. If you don't have a brush like this, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just use the tip, insert it all the way in from this end, and move it to the side. First in one direction, then in the other. Of course, you need to apply some alcohol. I already put some on this brush earlier, but as I said, you have to insert it firmly so it goes in deep. And then move it to the sides, to one side, to the other, several times, until the socket is completely clean. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate. And now the phone is ready to use. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, a like, and a subscription. See you in the next video.